Hey guys, NIC here with another daily recap. A very good morning or a good evening to you guys. So it's been a really happening day today. So I only made two trades today, which is on Robinhood, um, aka Hood. It did this ridiculous. I remember back in the start I was trading it off the resistance of 33, 33.25, 33.40 around there, both of them. And I was thinking that Robinhood could even be going down to 25. But it has really proved me wrong. Like I remember saying, if all the catalysts and all the things are like hinting that Hood will be going down, most of the time it's quite the opposite. That's how the market works. Everybody thinks that Hood will be going down, and for some stupid or for no reason at all, it might be pumped up. I know there might be some reasons behind it, but I didn't do too much RR on it, since I don't like too much news and catalyst to cloud my decisions. So I solely trade. I'm more of a chart trader, maybe a little bit of level 2, but more of a chart trader. So this, oh, look at it again. Yeah, I should quickly get over with my trading and before I hop into something else. But I would like to say yesterday I got off at around 45. Yeah, and same thing. This is like previously the AMC thing, the midday run after lunch. It's pretty similar, I would say. Like they have a small run around 10:30 to 11:30, then another run after lunch around 1 to 2. Let's see if it will be the same thing today. So yeah, this is the first run. Maybe might consolidate around here, and perhaps there would be a run at 1:30, but I mean nothing. Oh shit! Look at it, so nice. Okay, so I'll just explain why I took it today. So um, today's leading gapper is BYSI and WHLR. To me, those aren't very clear gappers. Firstly, WHLR is very choppy, and BYSI, it was at like 180%. I don't see how much room it has to run. More chances, I mean, chances are like it's more likely to go down than up. So none of them really look good. ATHE, BTBT, all this was, I just leave it here. So this is why Hood was what I was watching. As you can see in the pre-market, it's actually pretty nice. Yesterday high was, well, actually yesterday high was 48. Wow, that's insane. Yeah, so it's still holding around this level, but for some reason it opened. It did when like just shake off all the softer hands, and it went crazy. So after that, I was sitting on my hands since I came in today pretty late. Usually I will start around 8:30, but today I started at 9:30. So no trades pre-market, and that's why I didn't have any cushion. So I have to play even more cautiously. So around this level I added in, like just added small. Like why not, right? I think I added around 60 around there. So as it go up and at here when it's coming down, I'm thinking it could be a pullback. So I got out here, just take my $2.80. I can't remember. I remember it was around 240 trade. Um, so yeah, I got out. Then oh, look at it, still moving. Okay, so thinking it will pull back. I did not add on this VWAP as Hood is a recent IPO. Plus I think it's memeing at this point, so there isn't any logic behind it. This is more like a gamble. It's really a 50-50, like a coin toss. This not much TA will help here. So to play it safe, I just take my $2.20 profit here and leave, which is pretty nice. Dip off the VWAP and for some reason very strongly cross 65 into a halt. At this point I was really like, oh man, this could be me. I took a 220 profit instead of a $5 profit in hindsight. Pretty sad. Then on the halt, actually I couldn't recall the exact number, but the number was down. Like the bid and ask was down. It's kind of a slight hot down. Then it came down and all of a sudden, whoosh, so I believe a ton of bears are killed here. Like literally killed. I'm not kidding, like it's 62 here. This is freaking 74. This ticker is moving like a small cap. It's like those penny stocks. So yeah, after that it hotted up and I didn't play here because it's very choppy. It can really go both ways. Like I said, this far exceed my risk appetite even though I have a 220 cushion here, but this can easily flush 10 bucks. So yeah, same thing. That's the view up again. So I think this should be some very strong factors. It has been respecting the V up and basically just went up again. So 65 into 76. That's insane. I think this was like a minute plus, not even 2 minutes. I was really beating myself up like, oh man, I should have hopped in here, but hindsight's page, right? So I guess after this hop, it opened up and didn't came back down at all. So I was like, okay, I'll just play small and just why not, right? Treat it as a small lottery buy. Going at around 780. It's not very clear, but I got it around 80. I sold off around 84.60, and yeah, cause the reason I sold is it went up so quickly. I was like, okay, let's not be greedy. 480 is way more than what I'm hoping to get. I mean, even a dollar, I'm happy. So it went up 480. So basically, I sold off. It went up to 85, but less than a second. So, like I say, if it comes back down to this level, the hot level is basically when I go down, so it hot down, but it's still fighting. So remember what I said. This could be what AMC is doing. My, I mean not. This is just my assumption. Like the consolidating phase and probably through lunch phase, and we might see a second run after lunch, whatever time it is. I mean, it might be 11, 12, 1, 2. Nobody knows, but hopefully we will see a second run, but doesn't matter too much to me since I'm not holding anything. So it's basically the only trade I did today. WHL, as you can see, is too choppy to my liking. Yeah, it's really, really choppy. I don't like all these topping tails, so I did not get into this. Goodbye. BYSI2, this as you can see was 180. Oh shit, it's 385%. When I was seeing it's near the open, so yeah, it's around 180 something around here, and this was the open. Like insane. This is 46 bucks and this is 21 bucks. That's, oh man. I don't want to be caught on the wrong side here. So um, basically you see these are pretty small, but it's insane. This is 26 and this is 22, 23. This is a $3 candle. Looks tiny, but $3. So that's why I'm not touching this. It's insane if you are riding it here, but this is pure crazy. This is how you blow up your account. Shit. 1 second. Yeah, that's how you blow up your account. So not touching it, we'll still be watching it. However, the daily is just insane. Probably I'll still leave it in watch list and see how it goes. ATHE is really, really nice. However, same thing. Don't like the daily candle. Don't like, basically the chart doesn't interest me that much, so I didn't even bother looking at it. But it did open very nicely. Had a nice run today. Main watch is still good. That's why BTT also. As you can see, this is a BTC ticker. Was around 6 to 8% when I watched it, and now it's boom. This is like $2.40 move. Pretty nice. However, I got more than what I need from food, so AC was, oh, this is amazing. It's been on my ticker for very long, and AC has proved to help me gain quite a lot of money, especially during March. So two, if I'm not wrong, 21 is the next level, and all of that is 38. Yeah, so Would be nice if it could cross 21, which it did. So you have all the way the room to run until 38. But on low volume and this kind of spread, I don't want to touch it since I really got more than enough what I need today. It's basically just two trades and got about two 220 here and 480 here. So I didn't play too much, as in I didn't scale in too much, but it's a nice $680 win for the day. This was relatively um, low share I bought, and basically I risked very little today and got $680, 680. So it's more than sufficient to me. I choose to walk away instead of losing back 300 and trying to win back the 300. Could dig myself a deeper hole, so discipline. Just gonna walk it away. And that's why I'm doing this recap here quickly so I can close all this. CN, pretty nice. FLGC could be a nice pullback. Daily still looks good. ARL couldn't get over 14, so yeah, basically that's all for today's recap. Nothing much to recap on since I did two trades today, but one lesson is as long as you hit your daily goal, it's always better to lock out. I mean, yeah, technically I'm leaving money on the table. I could stay for a whole second run, and maybe ATHE, okay, maybe not. Maybe BTBT could be a slow grind the whole day. I mean, it has been slow grinding for the past week, and it's crossing 200 SMA nicely. So, lastly, ACY, they already crossed the 21. Now they have room up to 39. All these are money left on the table, but I got my daily goal and choose to walk away. So trading is more like a marathon, not a race. I mean, yeah, I could try to go for 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 today, but I would prefer to walk off with a decent small win than giving back my wins. That's how I feel personally. I know this is better for my mental to gain the momentum. So yeah, just one trade today, good. And yep, so alright, that's all for today's daily recap. Hopefully you guys had a good trading day today. As always, stay safe, trade safe, peace.